I've put everything in this blender jug, my vacuum blender jug. It's my Kuvings vacuum blender, model SV-500, and switch it on for 102 cycle. So what happens is it will pump and create a vacuum, and once a vacuum is created, you can see the blue line coming across from the right to the left. Once the vacuum is created, automatically switch on for 102 cycle. Here I've got the dressing which I've already blended for 102 cycle, which I will soon pour on top. After I've given this a good stir mix, I lower it with these wooden fork and spoon. I can't show it because I only have two hands, and I'll continue the video after I've done that. Okay, and now I'm just going to pour the dressing on top and stir everything up and enjoy it. I've just given the dressing and the rice and green salad good stir and mix and taken one bite, and I can tell you it's delicious. The aroma of the curry leaves, the basil, everything comes together.